Need to find out your current password for your Instagram account to log in on a new device or to change your password? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to check your current Instagram password in 2 different ways. Now let's get started. The first place we'd suggest checking for your current Instagram password is in your password keeping app on your phone. If you have an iPhone, you can check the built-in Passwords app. If you use an Android, you can check the Google Password Manager that's built into your device. Open your Passwords app and scroll through the list to see if your Instagram password is saved there. You may need to use Face ID or enter your device's passcode to reveal your password and view it in full. If you don't see your Instagram password stored here, the next place you can check is your desktop browser. If you've ever signed into Instagram on your computer, you may have saved your password to your computer or browser's password keeper. This could be found within your computer settings or in your browser settings. If you use Chrome, you can find your saved passwords by clicking the 3 dots in the top right corner. Then select Settings. In the menu on the left, click Autofill and Passwords. Then select Google Password Manager. Scroll down in the list to see if your Instagram password is saved here. You may need to enter your computer's passcode to reveal your password and view it in full. That does it for 2 ways to check your current Instagram password, both on your smartphone and computer. Want to reset your Instagram Explore page? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.